This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, I given control to you. Can you please show me master and slave? Master and agent. Log into the master server. Yeah, okay. So can you run that Ansible -m ping all? Yeah. So all are successful. Okay, good. So guys, as I told in today's class, we are going to see programs. Okay, in Ansible. Same whatever you did from command line, we can do it from programs also. Why do we need programs? Guys, general question. Not only in Ansible, even we have shell script, Java program. We can do from command line also. ఎందుకు programs రాయాలి? Why should I create programs instead of command line? Okay, what is the reason, guys? What is the advantage of programs?
To automate the process.
To like example, I have bulk task, maybe 10 tasks. Okay, so that to a repeated task, maybe again and again I want to run, maybe daily, okay, or maybe frequently. Okay, so n number of times I have to write, I have to run. Maybe I want to remember those what I did. Okay, so if I run a command line, example, I created one application, I configured one application by using command line. Okay, so maybe since 6 months it is running. Now all of a sudden something happened to that. Maybe someone did some change, or maybe something deleted or corrupted. So the application not working. Okay, now I need a previous configuration. How you will come to know that? Maybe you are not there that time, where some other admin he left from the office. Now you are there. When you came here, it's working. Now something you did, or maybe something someone did, now it's corrupted. Now I need a previous configuration. How you will come to know that? There is no evidence because you did in command line. But if you make it in programming, so that program file will be available, and you can recreate it. You can rerun it. Okay, now so reusability will be there, as well as uh, we can whenever we need it, we will get evidence also. If you write a program, just running in one shot, making all your task in one file, all your commands in one file, then running the file in one shot. So execution also very easy. Even reusability will be there whenever it is required. I can reuse the same file whenever it is required. Okay, na? That is the advantage of program. Generally, I'm saying. Now, how to write a program? So, by guys, in Ansible, we call it as a playbook. Ansible program is nothing but playbook. Okay, so we write in YAML language. The syntax we write, right? That is called as YAML language. So how we write? Generally, we'll choose one folder. Maybe let's go to the same folder. You can write down anywhere. There is no like a condition like you have to write somewhere and like this. You will choose one folder. There only you will write all your playbooks. Okay. So now I'm writing my first playbook. Just sample purpose. So I can give any name. There is no condition like this. Playbook పేరు ఏదైనా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు మీ టాస్క్లను బట్టి. And the extension should be like this: YAML or YML. YML is shortcut, YAML is full form. That is the language, guys. Very easiest language, like general English. So generally the playbook will start with triple hyphen. That means this is the beginning of the playbook. Okay, so that is what this indication. Where you want to run, ala, deva, testa, your wish. Host group information. So the task description here. Example, I want to create a user. What is the module name to create the user, guys? User ni create cheyడానికి module enti? What is the module? User. Name equals to Amar. State equals to present. Hyphen name. Create a directory. Example, I am writing this task, guys. It is depends on your requirement. Maybe example, I want to set up one application. So that application related commands, modules you have to use. What is the module to create a directory? So file and directory both are same, guys. So file is the module. File. The path of the actually I'm not able to manage. Yeah. Where you want to create. So guys, if some reason if you if you don't know this thing, what is state for this particular module, don't worry. Even if you give wrong also, it will show you what is wrong in that, what is the correct. Okay, let me make it like this. You can add any number of tasks. Okay, example, I given a wrong value here. It will show you given a wrong value, please. So how to run a playbook, guys? If it is a playbook, okay, so this is how you have to write down: Ansible hyphen playbook and playbook name. See, guys, so what it is saying, you given a wrong thing. So see, this is what I given. The value of the state must be one of absent directory file hard, link, touch. So values should be these things for this particular module. For file module, these are the values. You should not use any other values. Okay, na? So this is how it will show you. Don't worry about that. If something wrong also. So any number of tasks you can write down like this. So this is the syntax, guys, to run your playbook. Ansible -playbook, the playbook name. If you are not in the same folder, you should give the full path for this playbook, guys. So two ways. One is go to that particular folder where your playbook is there. That is one thing. Or else come to like maybe you have to give the full path for this Ansible -playbook and the playbook name. Okay, na. So where that playbook is there, that full path. Example, it is available under /root. So I have to give /root the playbook name. That is how you can use. So guys, Ansible behavior is by default. Can you please open Notepad? So by default, Ansible behavior is example in a playbook. I have three tasks: 1, 2, 3. Okay, I given maybe all are dev your wish. Dev you given. In dev, I have two servers. Assume that. Okay, na? In dev host group, I have two servers. Now, first it will run on 1, comma 2. Then after it will go to second task. Then it will run 1 and 2. Then third task. It will run on 1 and 2 servers. So this is the order, guys. Okay, na? So these are the tasks. So first task, it will complete in 1 and 2. I mean, how many servers you have in the group? 10 or 20 or 30 or? So all servers it will run first. Okay, na? If anywhere it's failed, it won't proceed further, guys. Example, somewhere the first task is failed. Okay, na? So in one of the server. So after first task completed in all the servers, it won't proceed to second task, guys. Because task is failed, right? By default, if answer. I'll write in this way. In all servers. Then second task will be executed in all. Okay, and so on. So guys, the first task will be executed in all the servers. Example, if I give all, so all the host group, how many servers you have? 10 or 20 or 30 or 50 or. So 50 servers it will complete first. Then after only it will go to second task. Then it will complete in all the hosts. If it is completed, then only it will go to the third task. Third task again it will run in all the host groups. This is the default behavior. Okay. If anywhere Ansible playbook, if any task is failed, okay, after the task execution in all the nodes, in all the agents, so example, in maybe I have 5 nodes, okay na, 5 nodes available. In third agent, maybe my task failed some reason, so it won't stop guys there itself. So in all the agents the task will be finished, doesn't matter either successful or failed. After that the playbook will be stopped guys. Okay నా థర్డ్ ఏజెంట్ లో నా టాస్క్ ఫెయిల్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ ఆగిపోదు. In fourth and fifth also the playbook will be executed, the task will be executed, the first task. Then after the playbook will be stopped. Okay, it won't proceed further for the second stage. Okay, so that is what, maybe you can see that. I'll write one more task. Maybe from here I want to check one path is there or not. Guys, with the command and shell module, okay na, directly I can run my Linux commands. I'll tell you the difference later, what is the difference between command and shell. But as of now, with the command and shell module, okay na, you can run normal Linux commands. See, first task executed in all the nodes, doesn't matter, ఇక్కడ ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది కదా. Actually what I am doing, what is this command does guys, what is this command? Linux command it is. What is this command? Can someone please explain me?
List.
I am checking the file path, file unda leda check చేస్తున్నా. Okay guys, I am checking this file is exist or not. Okay na, so see, first task executed in first node, it is failed because there is no file. నేను ఇచ్చిన టాస్క్ ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది, టాస్క్ లేదు. Okay, see again it ran in second node, then third node, then fourth node, then fifth node. In all the nodes it will execute the task. After that it won't proceed further. See, the other task did, so only first task executed in all the nodes, then second, third, fourth, it won't execute. See, if any task is failed after that, okay, task execution, ఆ టాస్క్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది అన్ని నోడ్స్ లో. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ that task execution in all the agents, in all the agents, webhook will be stopped. Okay na? So maybe if you want, you can take this, guys. Already, guys, everything will be available in my Google Drive. Yeah, can you please take it? Oh, sorry, not that one. Can you please copy paste this in your group chat? Okay, everybody, please take that. You no need to take it. Already, this information available in my Google Drive. Okay, just for your information, but take it anyway. Guys, did you understand the syntax here? Any questions? Syntax అర్థమైందా guys? Any number of tasks you can write down like this. Guys, any number of tasks you can write down like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100. Okay, hundreds tasks you can write down like this. Okay, now
For example,
some shortcuts I want to show.
I'm sorry, Amar. For
Tell me.
example, we have 10 servers, but we
Yeah.
need only 5 servers only to execute this. What is the task and all? So how we have to do that?
Yes, there will be some shortcuts. Okay, so there are two ways. Maybe on what basis you want to select those 5 servers? Maybe already you know those server names. That is one scenario. Or else, example, I have 10 servers with different distributions. Okay, na, like Amazon, Red Hat, CentOS, Windows. So on basis of Linux, I want to run the task. So there will be conditions. Later point of time, you will get the condition, like when condition. Okay, so it depends on your scenario. As you said, you want to run only on 5 servers, but is it already like you know those 5 numbers, or else you want to make a condition like based on OS distribution I want to run, or based on some version I want to run. సో ఓకే, దాన్ని బట్టి మీరు రాస్తారు కండిషన్. ఓకేనా? ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఇన్ కమాండ్ లైన్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ మేక్ ఇట్. ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ ఓన్లీ ఆన్ 5 servers instead of all the host group. Okay, here also I can give those host names with commas, or host group names with comma. Okay na? Or else maybe particular host name I want on one of the host only I want to run. Like different options you have, you will come to know that those options. Even few things I will give you tasks also, don't worry about that. Okay na? Still there are so many things you have to learn, then you
Okay.
can understand this.
Okay.
But valid question. Okay, Yeah. Now I'm going to show you some shortcuts in playbook, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you few tasks, a few shortcuts in playbook. So without opening my playbook, so first of all, I want to check my syntax. Okay, now I want to check my syntax is correct or not. If you get like this, the syntax is correct, guys. No errors. So without execution, you can find out the syntax validation. This is syntax validation command, guys. ఈ కమాండ్ తో ఏం చేయొచ్చు, సింటాక్స్ వాలిడేట్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, let me show you. Maybe I'll make some wrong. Here see, this is syntax wrong now. Why? Because it should be under name only. You should follow the indentation, guys. Indentation is must and should. అంటే ఆ స్పేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఎక్కడ ఏ స్పేస్ పెట్టాలనేది if you write, then only you can understand the things, guys. This is the order. Compulsory you have to make it. Example, here I should not make like this. This is wrong, guys. ఇలా ఉండొద్దు. Compulsory it should be like this only, and here also it should be like this only. Okay na, so you should not make like this. This is wrong syntax. Okay, indentation is very very important in Ansible. So now let me check the syntax. See, guys, so here I can anyway while running also it will show you the syntax is wrong, but especially I want to check explicitly, I want to check this syntax check, mean this is the order, guys. This is the command Ansible playbook, the playbook name, then hyphen syntax check. It will show you the syntax. Okay na, let's see. Mostly it will show exact place where is the problem. Okay na, example, okay. Now see, indentation is must and should, guys. You should follow this. Okay? Mostly it will show you exact place only, but don't expect every time. It depends on the like syntax. Okay, nearby it will show you. So based on that, you should follow that. Okay. This is about the syntax, guys. Validation syntax validation. If everything correct, it will show like this. If something wrong, it will show you the syntax. Oh, this somewhere you written wrong. Your syntax is wrong, something like that. Okay. Yeah. Next. So, guys, do you know dry run? Maybe trial run. General question I'm asking. What does that mean, trial run? ట్రయల్ రన్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తాం? వాట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయల్ రన్ అండ్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ట్రయల్ రన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ట్రయల్ రన్?
When you are doing it in local, it is called a trial run. It's like a test run, we say.
Exactly. So example, I have maybe metro train. Okay, everything construction completed. Now first 2-3 months, no, like without passengers, it will do the trial run. Means here it will go like as usual, like how if customers are there, if passengers are there, how it travel from one place to another place. Okay, so in trial run, it does the same thing, but no without passenger. Okay, now no passengers. So only from source to destination it will run, but without passengers. Without actually, it is not actual run, just a trial run. Okay, now same concept here also. What is trial run means? If I run one task, actually it will show. If I run, actually what will happen? The same thing it will show, but it won't happen. Okay, let me give you one example. So if I run actually, if I run like this, the playbook will be executed, right? But example, I want to see what exactly happening if I run my playbook, but I don't want to run it actual run. So basically, guys, this is called as trial run, dry run. With this command, if I run with hyphen check option, if I run, it is a trial run. It is not actual run now. It will show as it is. మీరు రియల్ గా రన్ అవుతే ఎలా చూపిస్తుందో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి సిమిలర్. ఏ టాస్క్ ఫెయిల్ అయింది, ఏ టాస్క్ సక్సెస్ అయింది, విచ్ టాస్క్ ఈస్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ షో యూ. Yeah, see guys, but it's not real run. It's just a trial run. What is something skipped? Check file path. Do we have that? Okay. So guys, actually this is not a real run. If I add hyphen check option, okay, na, to my playbook, to my execution, it will show as it is. Real గా రన్ అవుతే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలాగే చూపిస్తుంది, బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ రియల్ రన్. Actually, as part of this, the user should be created, right? Can you log into one of the server? User won't be there. Just a trial run, guys. Trial run is not a real run. It's just a sample run. It will show you what will happen if I run my playbook. నేను ప్లేబుక్ రన్ చేస్తే ఏం జరుగుతుందో చెప్తుంది అంతే, యాక్చువల్గా జరగదు. Now check that user exists or not. How to check, guys? User details. Yesterday I showed you already.
ID command.
ID username.
Exactly. ID command. ID and what is the username I said? Trial. Trial, not Amar. Check the spelling once. TRIAL. Hmm. See guys, actually I ran
Okay.
my playbook. It's okay, but in
No,
trial run. So see,
the spelling is wrong. TRIAL.
yeah, use TRIAL. Example I given that username guys. ఏదో ఒక user. See, actually as part of my playbook, so the trial user should be created, but I ran in dry run mode. Okay, na trial run. This is not actual run, guys. Guys, did you understand what is trial run? Trial run అంటే అర్థమైందా? Everybody, guys, actual run కి trial run కి difference అర్థమైందా?
Yeah.
So it is just to show what will happen. It won't execute actually. ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ జరగదు, ఓన్లీ చూపిస్తుంది ఇలా జరుగుతుంది అని. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ట్రయల్ రన్. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ ఆల్ ద టాస్క్ విచ్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ మై ప్లే బుక్. సారీ, ఆల్ టాస్క్స్ అనుకుంటా. సారీ, లిస్ట్ టాస్క్. So without opening my playbook, I can see the task list. Not list. So guys, shortcuts guys ఇవన్నీ. See, maybe my playbook, it's a big playbook. Okay, na around 100 tasks there. So I want to see just a description for each task. I give an hyphen name, right? That is description part, guys. Okay, na see, I can see the task details. What tasks I have in my playbook and all. Okay, na. So here, what is play? Let me explain that. Play ante enti, guys. I'll explain the order execution. See, first of all, when my playbook starts, what will happen means it is checking on which host I want to run my playbook. I given all, right? So in all the host groups I want to run. Okay. Next, tasks. Basically, what do we have this task in my playbook? ఈ టాస్క్ నా ప్లేబుక్ లో ఉందా?
No.
Do we have this task?
No.
No.
You can see here. ఆ టాస్క్ ఉందా మన ప్లేబుక్ లో? Do we have that task? No, we don't have that task. Okay. So then what is this task? So guys, by default, Ansible will gather the facts. Facts అంటే ఏంటి? Information about your host. ప్రతి host కి connect అయ్యి what is the current status it will gather. ఓకేనా? సో డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇట్ విల్ గ్యాదర్. దానికి ఒక మాడ్యూల్ ఉంది యాక్చువల్గా. దెర్ ఈస్ అ మాడ్యూల్ కాల్డ్ సెటప్ మాడ్యూల్. బై డిఫాల్ట్ Ansible will run that module every time. Even doesn't matter command line and what I can say, command line అయినా సరే, playbook అయినా సరే, even playbook also, command line also. First task will be this one only, gathering facts. Guys, ఫస్ట్ టాస్క్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? గ్యాదర్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అన్నమాట. అంటే ఏం ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ గ్యాదర్ చేస్తుంది? వాట్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్, వాట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇట్ విల్ గ్యాదర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద హోస్ట్. సో లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద OS డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, విచ్ కెర్నల్ దట్ OS రన్నింగ్, వర్షన్, హౌ మచ్ RAM you have, how much CPU you have, which hardware you are using, what is your storage, what are your like settings, everything it will gather from the every host. ప్రతి హోస్ట్ నుంచి ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ గ్యాదర్ చేస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ టాస్క్ అదే గైస్. whenever I run any Ansible playbook or command line, it doesn't matter. Okay na? So first task will be gather facts. Gather facts, what it will gather guys? ఏం గ్యాదర్ చేస్తుంది ప్రతి హోస్ట్ నుంచి? సో లెట్ మీ షో యూ దట్. ఇట్స్ అ బిగ్ లిస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. Let me run manually that module. Ansible -m setup module guys. So I'll run in one host as of now, dev host group. ఇవన్నీ గ్యాదర్ చేస్తుంది guys. So it gather all this information. See, architecture, like which Python version you are using, which OS you are using. So under dev host group, only one server I have now. So this is one server information. In key and value format, it stores. See, this is key, this is value. This is key, this is value. Okay, na. See, Python version 2. Like 18, so something it is. C Python, and I don't know what is C Python. See, hardware, Ansible related. So see which processor it is using, how much RAM you have, how many file systems you have. In key and value format, it stores. It gathers the information. This is not dev host information, guys. Under dev group, how many servers you have? So as of now, only one. So for that server information it is. It will gather all this information: kernel, RAM, CPU, OS distribution, which hardware you are using, how much storage you have, what variables you have, what settings you have. See, what network settings, everything it will gather. See guys, I'll explain the usage in some time. Maybe we can use them by like in when condition. So conditions we can give based on this information. Guys, based on this information, we can give the conditions. That is later part. But as of now, it doesn't matter which task you are running. You are running a playbook or you are running one command line task. First the setup module will execute, then after only your task. Here also, if I run my playbook, first setup module will execute. It will gather all the facts about each host. What is the current status of the host? Okay, na CPU, RAM, storage, network, OS, everything it will gather. I hope you understood what is gather facts. Guys, gather facts అంటే అర్థమైందా? Hello? Guys,
Sir, here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
this is the first command. When, okay, see, gathering facts. Actually, this task I don't have in my playbook, but still this is the first task. In all the hosts it will gather. Then after your tasks. Okay, see, and finally recap. How many tasks I executed, which task is successful in which task, which node. See, ఈ node లో ఈ agent లో 5 టాస్క్లు రన్ అయ్యాయి. I will explain these things. Wait, that is status actually. What is okay, what is changed, we'll talk about that. One by one. Will come one by one. Okay. Now what is play? I will explain. Guys, play is nothing but the set of tasks which you are running on top of one host group. ఒక host group ఒకట ఆలా like the set of tasks you are running right in one host group, that is called as one play. దీన్ని ఒక ప్లే అంటాం. ఇప్పుడు one playbook may have any number of plays, guys. Example, I have one more set of tasks. Only on development host group I want to run. Example, guys. It either so any task. Okay, so if I run on one host group or set of host group, that is called as one play. Okay, now this playbook has two plays, guys. This set of plays, playbook, task running in this play, all on a host group మీద all host group these tasks are running, and these two tasks are running on only dev host group. Guys, two plays ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. This is one play, this is one play. You can add any number of plays like that, guys. ఈ task లో these tasks are running only on dev host group, and these tasks running only on these tasks running in all host group, all are test or maybe particular host group. The set of tasks which you are running in host group, a particular host group, is called as play, guys. దీన్ని ఒక ప్లే అంటాం. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎన్ని టాస్క్లను రాసుకో ఒక ప్లే కింద, ఓకేనా, based on your requirement. Now this is called as, we have two plays in this playbook. Now let me run. What is wrong here?
Remove the
Oh,
After a user, there is a call. Yes.
now I have two plays, guys. See, the second play started. Okay, so I have two plays in this task. This is first play. So all tasks running in all host group. This is one play. Up to here. And this is one more play. Guys, did you understand what is play? Play ante అర్థమైందా?
yeah.
Everybody. Okay, so I have two plays here. In a single playbook, I can have any number of plays like this. Okay, now what is the difference between playbook and play? So playbook is nothing but set of play. At minimum one play should be there. A play is nothing but set of tasks which you are running on one host group. or set of host groups? The set of tasks which you are running on top of set of host groups or one host group is called as one play. Okay, na? So I have two plays here. I can have any number of plays like this. Minimum one play should be there in a playbook, and n number of plays I can write down in a single playbook. I hope you understood, guys.
So what is the ideal number of plays in real time in a playbook?
ఎన్నైనా
How many?
పెట్టుకోవచ్చు మీ ఇష్టం అది based on your requirement. I will show you the playbooks, don't worry.
Okay.
We will see the like what kind of playbooks we write. Okay, now so tomorrow I will give you the tasks also in Ansible. Get ready for that. Already in my Google Drive you have the tasks. If you go to my DevOps class notes, okay, under Ansible you can see the tasks also. Okay, but I'll show you the real time tasks also, playbooks also, what kind of plays we write. Okay, now so there is a roles concept, we'll see that also. Okay, one by one we'll see, but as of now everything clear, guys?
Yeah.
The shortcuts like dry run, syntax validation, playbook syntax, next what is play, what is gather facts. I hope you are clear. Okay, I have number of tasks, guys. I have number of tasks. I want to choose those tasks. I don't want to run all the tasks. Maybe some reason, guys. ఆ ప్లేబుక్ లో ఉన్న అన్ని టాస్కులు రన్ చేయొద్దు, నాకు అన్ని అవసరం లేదు. నాకు ఓన్లీ మేబీ 3-4 సెలెక్టివ్ ఓన్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టు రన్. ఓకేనా? ఇంటరాక్టివ్ మోడ్, గైస్. Interactive mode also there. Means selectively you can choose yes or no, yes or no, yes or no option. కొన్నిసార్లు అట్లాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ కూడా వస్తుంది, గైస్. You may get that kind of situation. Selective. I want to choose which task should be executed, which task should not run. Step hyphen step. So it will ask you yes or no every time. See, gather facts, yes or no. See, perform task. Gathering facts cheyala vada? Yes అని ఇచ్చా. I given yes. So gather facts executed. Okay. So create user. Yes or no? No. Create directory. Yes or no? No. It's up to you, guys. If at all you have requirement, you can do like this. You have selective option also in a playbook. It's up to you. You want to run all or you want to run selectively. The option is there for us. What is C? C means maybe example, I have 100 tasks in a playbook, and in a play up to 10 I want to run selectively. Yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. But after 10 I want all. Maybe again I don't want to press yes for all. So simple C. C means continue. Now onwards it won't ask you now. For remaining task it won't ask yes or no. I mean in a play. Now this is one more play. C means it won't ask yes or no again. Guys, once you start yes or no, that in step interactive. So now maybe the next task, like next 10 tasks are pending. So all I want to run, just C. C means continue. Okay, ఆ ప్లే మొత్తం రన్ అయిపోతుంది కంటిన్యూగా వితౌట్ ఇంటరాక్ట్. Did you understand the difference? Yes or no, continue? Any question? Did you understand what is hyphen step, like interactive mode? Playbook interactive mode లో రన్ చేయడం అర్థమైందా? What is interactive mode?
Yes, sir.
What is interactive mode?
We can choose the tasks which we wanted to run.
Exactly. What is yes?
To create the task and C
That's
to
right.
continue, and it will not ask for remaining task.
Yes. No. Yes means only that particular task, yes or no. No means it won't run that particular task. C means the coming task, it won't ask yes or no. The next tasks, all tasks will be executed. Okay. So guys, this is what? This is about the shortcuts. Okay na. So these are the shortcuts in your playbook. Inka chala unnai guys. Still there are so many things. Okay. So I hope you understand today's class. Everybody, are you clear about the class?
Yeah.
Okay. So please keep practicing. So tomorrow I'm going to give you the task. But if at all you're like if you are interested, you go with my Google Drive. There already you have the tasks. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay then guys. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.